How would you like access to the world's biggest no-brainer, to a library of more than 50 products that have literally made tens of thousands of dollars, and you get to sell them as your own? You keep 100% of the commissions for yourself. Plus, I'm going to show you how to drive viral traffic using memes that you can create literally in about 30 seconds. If that sounds interesting to you, stay with me. I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about my review of Mid-Year Madness. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I know the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm one of the very few people who can pull it successfully. Well made by Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you could skip ahead because I tell the same stale jokes day in and day out. You'd think I would learn by now and get some new jokes, but no, I keep telling the same things over and over again. You know, I'm like the ultimate dad joke machine, except I don't even come up with new material. I just use the same material over and over again. I'm not even a dad, go figure. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? My SQL is very, very simple to make sure that you do not very much of rap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, seriously, Bart? Okay, look, we both got to come up with new lines, okay? You come up with a new line, I'm gonna come up with new lines. We're gonna do this together, okay? We're gonna get through this together. It's gonna be like a support group. We're gonna support each other, okay? I'm gonna make a new line, you're gonna make new lines too. That guy drives me so crazy. You know, all the time, yakety yakety yakety, the crap. Bart, it's enough. I'll do it. Okay, you come up with something too. Seriously, if you are new, the way things work here. If I like a product, I will give a tip on my hat for the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
No, thank you, Liz. And I see Liz. She is such a sweetheart. I do love this lady. And, you know, she really is so wonderful. We can get angry at her, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so looking right now at the sales page for Midyear Madness from my friend David Islam. Now, that was an extremely prolific product creator. He has done hundreds of products, I think, by now. And when you pick up Midyear Madness from him for $12.95, see, I guess there's no discount this time. You're going to get access to 51 different products that you get to sell as your own. That means that you can give them away, use them as your own. Well, you can't give them away. You can sell them as your own, and you get to keep 100% commissions on them. You also obviously get access to all of these products as well. So you're going to be able to visit any of these products and check them out for yourself and benefit from them. Again, it's going to be $12.95. It's pretty much a no-brainer to be able to use this. Now, what I'm going to do for you is like this. I'm going to actually give you a really, really amazing bonus here. So what I've done is, let me go ahead and open up a new thing so I can, let's see. Open file. Okay, so we're going to go, let's open this one. Okay, so I just created these. These are memes that I created. Let me go ahead and open up all three of them. Actually, I should have done it before, but okay. Let's do that, and let's do this. Now, these literally, I took about 30 seconds to make these. Okay, so automated traffic, no effort, just results. Beach vibes and visitors pouring in thanks to automated traffic. Sit back, relax, and let the magic happen. So I made this basically for one of Dawood's products, which is all about traffic generation. This literally, and you can see it live. I can't show it to you because I will be giving away how to do it. But basically, I used two different free websites, and this literally took me less than 30 seconds to make. Okay, I went onto one website, I created the text for it, and then I searched on another website, excuse me, for an image, added the text that was generated, boom, I'm done. That's all it takes to make this. Okay, here's another one. All right, and this one I think is a little bit wordy, to be honest. But door one, low ticket products, parting around pennies like its goal, spending hours, days, and weeks for just a few dollars. That's what basically the crowd is doing. Door number two, walk in short with bags of money. High value products that bring in massive profits. Don't follow the crowd in door one. Follow me for profits. Okay, this is really cool. This is for a product that he has called High Ticket Heist. And again, this one took me a little bit longer just because I had to add door number one, door number two to the meme. So this one took me, I think, about 45 seconds to make, as opposed to 30 seconds for the other one. Here's another one for Chat Sonic. Chat Sonic, the sonic boom of chatting. Join the Chat Sonic revolution and leave the slowpoke Chat GPT for the losers. This is all about Let's Go Chat Sonic, which is one of Dadwood's products. Again, you'll get access to that. You can sell it with 100% commissions as your own product. Okay, so you're going to get access to this method of doing this. This is going to be completely free. You're also going to get access to my very own product, which is basically what it does for you is going to give you access to Instagram, because Instagram, basically, when you set up an Instagram, and you're going to make a lot of these memes for Instagram, when you set up Instagram, you can only have one link in your bio. Now, what Insta Bio Link is my software. What it's going to do for you is basically it's going to allow you to create multiple links. It actually lets you expire them, so you can actually sell traffic on your Instagram. You can go ahead and create like different links for different products all the time, and you're basically going to be able to do that forever and ever because you have just one link to Insta Bio Link that you're going to be able to link to automatically all the time in order to be able to use this. Okay, the other thing I'm going to give you is access to my guide to getting a done-for-you Instagram account. Basically, an Instagram account with thousands upon thousands of already active visitors. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So you're going to be able to do that as well. Plus, I'm also going to give you my hashtag generator for Instagram. Well, my favorite hashtag, it's not mine. I'm going to show you my favorite hashtag generator for Instagram as well. You're going to be able to do that as well. So you're going to have all of those things are going to be my bonus to you when I pick this up. My cat is here. He's excited as well. He can't believe I'm giving away so much stuff for just $12.95 when you pick up Midyear Madness. And to be honest, Midyear Madness on its own, because you're getting access to all these products, plus you get to sell them as your own, it really is a no-brainer to pick this up. So let's check the members area real quick over here. You can see here, basically, you're going to get access to all of these products. There's a lot of them listed here. All right. And you get 100% reseller rights, of course, to all of these things. You can also access them yourself. He's going to show you how to promote them. All right. He's going to give that to you as well. It's really, really a no-brainer for $12.95 to pick this up. Grab this one and yeah. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not. I know my cat has his tail in my way. There he is. He's very excited about this as well. He's like, I can't believe that I'm giving so much away, and he's wagging his tail at me, saying, "Daddy, don't tell him all about this stuff. It's too good." But seriously, okay. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you the man. This is awesome. Okay, it really is an insane value. My cat is sitting here. He agrees. He's saying, pick this up right now. He's, saying, and by the way, give me some pets while you're at it. The guy behind me, if he wasn't a painting, he'd be tipping his hat as well. So yeah, grab this one. This one's great. You're gonna love this.